Hi, this is Patty Jackson. On this edition of Patty TV, we are looking for unsung heroes. We're looking for caregivers, and there are so many throughout this whole Delaware Valley area. Matt Cavery is here from Shire Pharmaceuticals. We're gearing up for the Shire Brave Awards, and it's a wonderful thing for caregivers, and there's so many. Tell us, how did you start this?
Patty, first of all, thanks for having us. It's great to be here and share a little bit of information about the Brave Awards. At Shire, we're a global specialty biopharmaceutical company, and we're here to help people. That's kind of at the heart of what we do every day by providing medicines. But we recognized, and the awards program is not about Shire, it's about caregivers. It's about the unsung heroes in the lives of people all across the world who need help on a regular and consistent basis. And it's the caregiver who oftentimes doesn't get the recognition they deserve. We've recognized that having patients at the heart of everything we do is really important, but it goes beyond that. It goes beyond just the patient. It's the family member, and it's the caregiver, and it's other stakeholders like physicians and healthcare providers. So a key thing with the Brave Awards is an opportunity for us to recognize and celebrate those unsung heroes, those caregivers.
Wow, and there are so many. I know that I am a caregiver. My mom is 89, battling Alzheimer's disease.
Wow.
And I'm at that point in our life. The Wall Street Journal referred to us as the sandwich generation, because you take care of your children, you take care of your parents, but there's so many instances where people are caring for others. And it's not easy, but it's always a blessing to be able to help somebody else when you've been deemed this is what you're going to do in your life, to be able to help somebody who needs the help. How can people find out? Give us age requirements and all that good stuff.
Yeah. So it's 18 years of age or older to actually nominate somebody, and we also want the nominee, the caregiver, to also be 18 years of age or older. And part of that is from legal and regulatory requirements, because there is a cash prize to this. So the recipient of a Brave Award receives $10,000, and there's 10 of them that we ultimately select. The Brave Awards is an international program. This year, in 2012, it's available in 10 different countries. And folks can go online to shirebraveawards.com, and there's an FAQ section, there's terms and conditions, and there's a nomination section as well. And it's really key, Patty, for folks to recognize two things. One is, this is for lay, non-professional caregivers. So doctors, nurses, those kinds of folks actually don't qualify. These are folks like you and me who are taking care of family members or neighbors or others who need our assistance as caregivers. And the other key is there's no therapeutic kind of boundary. So while Shire makes medicines in certain therapeutic areas, this is not about Shire. This is about the caregiver. So folks who are nominated for a Brave Award can be a caregiver for any therapeutic area.
Okay.
Maybe the person that they care for doesn't have any type of disease-based illness. They may have an accident or injury-related situation that has caused them to need a caregiver on a more consistent basis. So those are two of the key elements I want folks to understand and appreciate when thinking about whether or not they should nominate somebody for a Shire Brave Award.
Okay, now through June 17th.
That's right.
Do you know an unsung hero? We all know somebody. Nominate them today so they can get the recognition that they so often probably don't get, being a caregiver. ShireBraveAwards.com. You go to the website, fill out the information. You have now until June 17th. We all know unsung heroes. Nominate somebody today. Matt Cavery, thank you so much.
Thank you, Patty.